In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell crypto for cash on Binance using your mobile phone. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newcomer, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with ease. So let's get started. First things first, open your Binance app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Having trouble logging in? Double check your credentials and try again before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the app's home screen. Next, locate and tap on the trade icon at the bottom of your screen. This will open up a variety of trading options. For our purposes today, we are going to focus on the P2P or peer-to-peer feature. Tap P2P to begin your crypto to cash journey. Now you'll need to choose the sell option from the top of the screen. This is where you'll select the type of cryptocurrency you want to sell, such as USDT, BTC, or any other supported crypto you hold in your Binance account. Make sure to choose the correct currency to proceed smoothly. Moving on, one of the key steps is selecting a buyer. Binance provides various potential buyers, each with different rates and payment methods. Look for a buyer with good ratings, as this indicates reliability. Additionally, consider selecting someone who offers a payment method that suits your preferences, whether it's bank transfer, PayPal, or another method. Once you've identified the right buyer, it's time to enter the amount of crypto you wish to sell. Be precise here, and double check the figures to avoid any mishaps. After entering the amount, simply tap on Sell. The system will now initiate the trading process. After your sale request has been submitted, the buyer will be notified and prompted to send the money to you. It's important to stay attentive during this part of the process. Once the buyer has sent the funds, you'll receive a notification confirming the transaction. At this point, you'll want to verify that you've received the correct amount in your preferred payment method. Once confirmed, you can proceed to release the crypto. Again, use caution and ensure you've received the correct payment amount before confirming. Releasing the crypto before verification could lead to issues, so take your time with this step. And there you have it. You've successfully sold your cryptocurrency for cash using Binance on your mobile device. Remember, each transaction is unique, so always remain vigilant and ensure all details are correct. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy trading!